You've seen them, I've seen them, your grandma's probably seen them. They're probably on your truck in the driveway right now. That's right, I'm talking about the TIS 544 and what's up with the hype behind it. If you've watched our predictions on the top 19 wheels of 2019 earlier this year, we definitely saw where this wheel was headed. We picked it as the #1 selling wheel of the year, and halfway through, it's definitely our top seller. But why? That's the big question. What makes this wheel #1? Looking at the previous #1, the Motometal 962, this is a drastic style turn from that wheel to this. So let's break it down. First thing, no rivets. Everyone has been saying that they're sick of rivets around the rim. TIS decided to put TIS Off-Road Gigantic around it instead. I think the big thing that sells this wheel is the spoke design though. It's like a Y split spoke, if you want to call it that, but the spokes are so damn thin. Accentuated milling around the spokes also makes it appear longer and thinner. With the flat spoke face, you really get a big lip as well. It makes the wheel one of the most affordable show style wheels out there currently. Not only does it look like its forged brother, the TIS F54 P1, but it's also competitively priced compared to a lot of other companies in the same cast sizes. And the sizes they offer? The answer is pretty much yes to any size question you might have on the 544. 17x8s all the way to 26x14s, dually wheels, ATV wheels, literally any application you could think for them, TIS has you covered in the 544. Hi, banker.
Howdy. Sorry.
The biggest thing the TIS 544 has going for it is that it's modeled after the forged TIS F51 P1 and shares almost all of the same design features translated into a cast wheel. They aren't true directional, so they don't have that going for them unlike their forged brother, but everything else you see out of your typical forged designs is seen in this wheel. Forged companies have been doing their name milled into the rim for a while now, and TIS 544 followed that. Forged companies are also able to do extremely thin spokes, and TIS followed that as well. The reason forged wheels can be structurally stable with these thin of spokes is because the amount of pressure that these wheels go through makes the aluminum extremely compact and dense. So your thin spokes have a higher structural integrity rating just due to the amount of force that presses these wheels before they're CNC'd. Making a cast wheel like this takes a lot of work and engineering to ensure the same structural integrity tests are met. TIS also broke the mold with finishes as well. Sure, they have their black and milled and they have their chrome. You need to have those, but TIS also offers an exclusive hand-brushed red finish available only through custom offsets. And this finish looks insane. You see the custom brush finishes with your forged wheels, and TIS took a chance dancing into the custom wheel finish world, and I'd say it's paid off. The wheel looks good and the finish complements the wheel style perfectly, and like I said, it's a custom offsets exclusive, so hit us up if you're looking for 544s and a custom red finish. That was a sales plug, I'm sorry. But that's it. The TIS 544 is a split Y-spoke wheel with a directional twist to the spokes. It comes in every size in the world and is modeled after the forged version of the same wheel. TIS knows that they have something with the 544 and they're gonna keep pushing it for as long as possible. That's why for SEMA this year, instead of trying to design a new breakthrough style, they're continuing to push the TIS 544, which is what they know, in more variations and more options than ever. And that's about all I can say on that. You're gonna have to see the rest at SEMA 2019, full coverage coming your way. If you haven't seen enough of the TIS 544 already, be ready because there's more definitely coming. I'm Junior with Custom Offsets TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.